Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we will be showing you the tutorial for Scribble art effect using PicsArt. First, select the image of your preference and adjust its size. Now go to Draw and select the brush tool in the color white. Here, open the Layer section and select Multiply. Using the brush tool, color half of your image. And for the other half, adjust your brush size and start scribbling. After completion, click on Done. Again, select Draw and open the Layer section. Create a new empty layer and add a black background to it. Adjust the size of the background image, and in the Layer section, move your background layer below your image layer. Click on Done and your image is now ready. So that's it for the Scribble art effect tutorial on PicsArt. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next.